All right, now tonight we start with a walkthrough through the newly named Allegiant Stadium. As you can see, boy, this is going to be from this picture right here. Look at the roof of that thing. It's going to be transparent, held up by a whole network of huge stainless steel cables. We had a chance to check out this site. Don Webb, who is the chief operating officer for the stadium, took us into the belly of the beast. But first, we stopped at where the Raiders' natural grass will be railroaded into the stadium.
Well, we're standing beneath the super trusses. And this frames the opening, the 240-foot wide opening, where the natural grass field will roll in and out. That literally weighs 1 million pounds, the field tray does, and it rolls on these steel railroad rails.
All right, from there we went inside to get a look at the cables that will stretch over the top of the facility. The entire engineering feat really is a marvel. These big cables have to be just right in length.
So they'll begin laying this out, then they'll pick it up with cranes, they'll set it on these jack stands, which position the cable precisely where it needs to go. The leaders for the cable come down, those steel cables come down attached to the stainless steel cables, and they'll be pulling the stainless steel cable up. A 2-foot section of that, you'd have a hard time picking it up. Weigh about 100 pounds.
Yeah, and when you attach these cables, they can't be off by 1/7 of an inch there. We also walked into the Raiders locker room, not yet finished, but you kind of get a sense of what's in store here. What might be most impressive about all this, though, once they're ready to set the cables on the roof, the building will be allowed to settle, but not too much.
Actually, it's designed to move. It's designed to move once the final steel members are in place and we remove some of the temporary shoring and bracing. That we actually expect, and the engineers have designed this building to settle, the roof to settle, and to settle into place. So when that happens, the exterior wall actually deforms, and it deforms in a prescribed manner so that the roof location and the location of all those points where the stainless steel cables connect are settle into a very precise prescribed location.
Wow, it is amazing to see.